The Grammar Galaxy. In a world of words, let's have some fun learning grammar one by one. Nouns are names like dog or cat. They're things we know, imagine that. Verbs are action words. They make things go, like run and jump, to and fro. Adjectives describe like big or small. They add some color to tell it all. Prepositions show position, where things are, on or under, near or far. Now, let's punctuate with a period or two to end our sentences so they're true. With grammar in our toolkit, we're ready to go to write and speak with a bright, big glow. So let's explore words, both near and far. With grammar by our side, we'll reach for the stars.
Like, share,
subscribe.
Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook at UpKidsOfficial.